Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with no money. That's right. Even if you're completely broke right now, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make hundreds of extra dollars per week, and it won't cost you a penny. Now, the first step we're going to take is heading over to ChatGPT, which you can find at chat.openai.com, and signing in. Once you're inside, ask it to compile a list of the top 10 books in a specific genre. You have the freedom to choose any genre you prefer, whether it's World War II, true crime, romance, comedy, or anything in between. For this video, I've decided to select the top 10 comedy books, because we all need a good laugh sometimes. Once you've got your list of the top 10 books in your chosen genre, the next step in learning how to make money online with no money is to visit audible.com. Enter the titles of each of the books provided by ChatGPT into Audible's search bar. As you can see, both Catch-22 and The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy are available as audiobooks on Audible, and I'll verify the availability of the rest as well. Now that you know all the books on your list are accessible, return to ChatGPT and request a 1,500-word summary of the book of your choice. How incredible is this? ChatGPT can generate a 1,500-word book summary in a matter of seconds. Remarkable. Once the summary is ready, be sure to copy and paste it into a Word document. Once your summary is complete, head over to Kiddle.com. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. It's incredibly easy to do, and it's an excellent resource for those looking to make money online with no money. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu at the top of the page and click on AI Tools. Then select AI Image Generator. Once you are inside the image generator, read the book summary created by ChatGPT. You should be able to extract the essence of the book's content or find a significant event from the first paragraph. For instance, in the description of The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, we learn that the main character discovers that Earth is about to be destroyed by an alien race to make way for a hyperspace express route. To generate an image for this, simply type, "Planet Earth is about to be destroyed by an alien race" into Kiddle, and it will create the image you see on your screen now. I recommend creating multiple images using this method, and I'll explain why shortly. But before that, the next step is to visit Medium.com. Click on Get Started to join the site, and once you're inside, click on Write in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to a new page where you can write and publish an article. The article you're going to publish is the summary that ChatGPT just generated for us. Be sure to give your article a title such as A Summary of the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Now, copy and paste your article onto the page on Medium, making sure to insert the images you've created. We created these images because they're relevant to the book and will keep your readers more engaged with your content. Now, onto the most crucial part, how to make money online with no money. Our method for making money here is straightforward. We'll insert multiple calls to action throughout the article, urging the reader to click on the link to listen to the book for free on Audible. The link that will take them to Audible is our affiliate link. If you haven't already signed up as an Audible or Amazon affiliate, it's straightforward. Just search for Audible Affiliates on Google, click the link, and follow the instructions. Once you've created your affiliate link, paste it into each of the calls to action in your article and then publish it. Every time a reader clicks on your link and signs up for Audible, you'll earn $5. Not bad for less than 10 minutes of work, right? Now, Medium.com attracts over 100 million readers every single month. It boasts a massive readership and extensive reach, so your article is in the perfect place to be seen. However, if you want to maximize your readership, I suggest creating several articles per day using this same method and posting them. This strategy allows you to gain exposure to many more readers than if you only published one article, and the more people who read your article, the more signups you'll get on Audible. Now, that's almost it for this video on how to earn money online with no money. But just before I wrap up, I want to share a little secret with you and tell you how I learned to make money online. I stumbled upon the book Get Rich with ChatGPT by Benjamin Fox on Amazon, and it truly transformed my life. This book teaches you methods like the one I just demonstrated and many more for making money online, all while leveraging ChatGPT to make it incredibly easy. If you want to check out the book, you'll find the details in the description below. Thanks for watching.